Define buckling factor. The buckling load factor, or BLF, is an indicator of the factor of safety against buckling, or the ratio of the buckling loads to the currently applied loads. The answer to this particular question would be, it is the ratio of the equivalent length of column to the minimum radius of gyration. What is lateral strain? In continuum mechanics, lateral strain, also known as transverse strain, is defined as the ratio of the change in diameter of a circular bar of a material to its diameter due to deformation in the longitudinal direction. It is a dimensionless quantity, as it is a ratio between two quantities of the same dimension. The answer to this particular question would be, when a body is subjected to longitudinal stress, it extends or gets compressed in the direction of the stress applied. But it will also get thicker or thinner in the transverse direction. The ratio of this change in the length or breadth for the rectangular shape and diameter for the circular bar, which is in the direction perpendicular to the force, and the original length, is what we call a lateral strain.